To edit LinkedIn profile in mobile app, firstly you have to install the LinkedIn app from Play Store. Now open the LinkedIn profile in your Android. You can see LinkedIn app will appear in front of you. We are going to know that how to edit LinkedIn profile. Just you have to click on the me icon that is present at the top. You have to see here there is an option of view profile. You just have to click on view profile. In this way, how to edit profile, you can see that there is a pencil mark here in front of the profile. Just you have to click on that pencil mark. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Now in this way you can edit your profile here, the changes which you want to add. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.